Good morning, students. Good morning to all. Today we will discuss the two more question from nanochemistry. These are the university repeated questions. Number one, what are nanoparticles? Nanoparticles are particles having the size which ranges from 1 to 100 nanometer. What are nanowires? Nanowires is a material having length to width ratio greater than 20. It is also referred as quantum wires. Distinguish between bulk material and nanomaterial. Bulk materials, they have size greater than micron. The number of particles is infinite. The surface area is less. Nanoparticles have size smaller than 100 nanometer. Number of particles is few to thousands of atoms or molecules. The surface area is more. Write about the important categories of nanomaterial. The categories of nanomaterial based on dimension are nanoparticle, nanocluster, nanowire, nanorod and nanotube. What are nanoclusters? Nanoclusters are fine aggregate of atoms or molecules whose size ranges from 0.1 to 10 nanometer. What is CNT? Carbon nanotubes are tube-like structure with diameter of 1 to 100 nanometer and a length of few nanometer to microns. When graphite sheet are rolled into a cylinder and their edges join to each other forms CNT. What is the principle involved in sol-gel method? The process involves the preparation of sol through hydrolysis, which is followed by polymerization or condensation, resulting in the three-dimensional network of gel-like structure. This method is used for the production of metal oxides. Sol-gel process is also called wet chemical technique. What is nanorod? Nanorod is a two-dimensional cylindrical solid. It has length to width ratio less than 20. Example, zinc oxide and cadmium sulfide. Principle of laser ablation method. It involves the vaporization of graphite target containing small amount of cobalt or nickel by exposing it to an intense pulsed laser beam at 1200 degrees Celsius in a quartz tube reactor. What is the principle of solvothermal method? The process involves the use of solvent under moderate to high pressure between 1 atmosphere to 10,000 atmosphere and the temperature between 100 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius facilitates the interaction of the precursor during the synthesis. If water is used as a solvent, then this method is called hydrothermal synthesis. What is the principle involved in CVD method? Chemical vaporization deposition method involves the deposition of the solid material from the gaseous phase by chemical reaction occurring on or in the vicinity of heated substrate surface. What is top-down process and bottom-up process? Top-down process involves the conversion of bulk material into smaller particles of nanoscale structure. Bottom-up process involves the building up of material from the bottom starting from atom by atom or molecule by molecule or cluster to the nanomaterial. Thank you students. Thank you all. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.